Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about subtraction of integers with the help of the number line. So using the number line, how to add the integers you have learned previously. In this class you are going to learn how to subtract the integers by using the number line. To subtract, for example, 6 plus 2. In order to add the integer, what you will do? You will move the number forward. Okay, so in case of the subtraction, you have to move backward. So 6 minus 2. In the number line, you have to move 6 steps backward. Okay, children. Similarly, thus, so next one, 6 minus of 2. So what you will do? You will start in the number line 0, 1. So you will start in the number line 6. If you have to move backward, so it is a minus. So 6 minus of minus 2, you will move backward. So the answer you will be getting is 4. But this is not correct because 6 minus 2 is 4. But 6 minus of minus 2 is not equal to 4. Okay, so it is not equal to 4. So minus into minus, you know, it is plus. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. So you have to move 2 steps forward from the number 6. So the itself given, what could we do? 6 minus of minus 2. Could we move towards the left on the number line or towards the right? If you move to the left, then we reach 4. Okay, if you reach 4, the answer is wrong. Then we have to say 6 minus of minus 2 is equal to 4. This is not true because we know 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, not 6 minus 2 is not equal to 6 minus of minus 2. Okay, so in this case the answer is 8. This also means that when we subtract a negative integer, we get a greater integer. So when we subtract the negative integer, we will get a greater integer. Consider it in another way. We know that additive inverse. So additive inverse is minus 2 is plus 2. Minus 6 is plus 6. Okay, so additive inverse of minus 2 is 2. Thus it appears adding the inverse of minus 2 to 6 is the same as subtracting minus 2 from 6. Okay, so adding the minus 2 to the 6. If you add minus of minus 2, the additive inverse of minus 2 is what? Plus 2. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. It is also equal to the subtracting the minus 2 from the 6. Let us now find the value of minus 5 minus of minus 4. So minus 5 minus of minus 4. So what you will do? You have to take the additive inverse of minus 4. So minus 5 minus 4 is plus 4. So minus 5 plus 4. What is the answer? It is minus 1. So you have to start from the minus 5 plus 4. You have to move 4 steps forward. You will get the answer as minus 1. Okay, children? Do you understood? So similarly, you can go for example 7. Find the value of minus 8 minus of minus 10 using the number line. So minus 8 minus of minus 10. Okay, so it is minus 8. You have to take the additive inverse of for minus 10. It is plus 10. So minus 8 plus 10 is plus 2. So you have to move. You have to start from the minus 8 and move 10 steps forward. So if you move 10 steps forward, you will be reaching the plus 2. Okay, children. So hence to subtract an integer from another integer, it is enough to add the additive inverse. So to subtract it, instead of subtract it, you can add the additive inverse. The answer will be the same. Okay. You can see example 8. Subtract minus 4 from minus 10. So from means you have to take the first, you have to start from the first number. Minus of minus 4. Okay. Minus 10 minus of minus 4. Minus 10 additive inverse of minus 4 is plus 4. So it is minus and plus. You have to subtract and put greater number sign. So if you subtract, you will get 6. The greater number takes the value minus. So it is minus 6. Understood, children? Yes. Next is the example 9. Subtract plus 3 from minus 3. So minus 3 minus of plus 3. Okay. So what you will do? Minus 3. The additive inverse of plus 3 is minus 3. So minus minus means you have to add and put minus sign. 3 plus 3 6 and put minus sign. So it is minus 6. Yes. So now it is exercise 6.3 for sum. 35 minus of 20. 35 minus of 20. Okay, va? So plus 20. So additive inverse of plus 20 is minus 20. So 35 minus 20 is 15. Okay. Next, similarly, 75 minus of 90. So plus 90. So additive inverse is minus 90. So 75 minus 90. Okay. So it is a plus 75. There is no symbol. You have to consider it is a positive sign. Okay. So if you subtract, you will get 5 and 15. The greater number takes the minus sign. So minus 15. Okay, children. If you have any doubts, we can clear it in the Google Meet class. Thank you.